Welcome to 5-Minute Spotlight, Fyle's new rapid interview series featuring accounting leaders and partners providing exclusive business insights.
Hi everyone, I'm Vikram Pothnis, Head of Partnerships at Fyle. Welcome to our 5-Minute Spotlight interview series where we bring in insights from our partners and industry leaders. Today we have Bradley Belesky, who's a software solutions senior at UHY. UHY has been an amazing partner of Fyle. We really enjoy working with their teams. Welcome, Bradley. Glad to have you on the series.
Thank you so much, Vikram and the Fyle team. It is a pleasure to be here today and to be highlighted by your amazing software company. One of my favorites to suggest to clients, to demo, to set up calls with. Truly happy with this partnership and so happy we can kick off the new year with this interview.
Thanks for those kind words, Bradley. Let's dive right in then. Can you give us like a 30-second elevator pitch about what UHY does?
Yeah, so UHY is a full-service mid-market CPA firm providing audit, tax, consulting, and then also CAS and advisory services. We have over 1,900 professionals serving over 50,000 clients nationwide. And then we also have a global network that spans over 9,500 professionals. So we are truly a full-service, both US-based firm and also global firm. And we're truly growing our CAS practice right now, but we also have a thriving audit and tax practice.
Awesome. Thanks so much for the introduction there. Yeah, we've completely enjoyed working with UHY for a whole different reason. They're people and how you treat your clients as well. What are your thoughts on AI automation in today's world? We hear so many different things happening. There's a shift that's happening as well. What are your thoughts around it?
Yeah, so I think overall my thoughts are we really shouldn't be scared of what AI is going to bring both to the accounting world and to, the business world in general. I think we really should be embracing the solutions that it's bringing for even the small business owner all the way up to, your Fortune 500 companies that are using AI. I truly think that there's an AI tool out there for everyone, and that a lot of people are already using tools that have AI built into them and they don't even know. I really am excited for what AI is bringing, especially to the accounting industry. We are struggling with so many areas of either staffing, pipeline issues with the labor force, and I think it's been a long time coming that we were due for a little disruption and a little change and a little shakeup. And I think it's truly an exciting time to be either an accountant or in business. And it's just an exciting time to review your software. As a business owner, you might have been stagnant for the last 10, 15 years using the same tools that you've always used that have been either one, relatively inexpensive, or two, just your comfort. But now you can look at tools that say, hey, let's look at Fyle, where you can streamline your expense management and no longer have these stressors affecting you every day, and you can focus on other things. So that's just one way where, AI and especially Fyle can come in where you don't have to be afraid of it. It can really enhance your life as a business owner, or even just as an accountant doing CAS services or providing a service to your client can really embrace and enhance your day-to-day.
Yeah, very insightful there. People are sort of on those crossroads where you're trying to figure out whether to take the leap or not. And those are very insightful words. Thanks for those. Would you like to share any of your daily routines that you believe have contributed to your growth personally and professionally?
So I think for me, my daily routines are just always looking for starting the day with just a positive attitude every day. Even if I know I'm going to have some tough meetings, and going into it with a smile, knowing that we can have a solution or come to a solution during the meeting is huge. Don't set yourself up mentally for that negative. Try to set yourself up for success. And then two, I know it's funny to say influencers in the accounting world, but looking at people in your community that are doing great things and leveraging it and connecting with them either daily or weekly. What are you seeing? What did your clients bring to you? What did you do this week? Or what have you seen that's interesting? What conference did you go to where you saw a really captivating speaker? And, those kind of things kind of help keep things going. And then just staying up to date on your training and making sure you're working with your software partners like Fyle. What are your product updates? What are your enhancements that are coming that might be able to convince a client to use a new solution or to join your CAS services or to utilize you as a professional? So I think just those couple of things really help me every day. But I would say the positive attitude is the biggest one because, there could be some really tough days that you go into, and just starting it with a smile and knowing that at the end of the day, it's going to be okay. I think that's the biggest one.
I mean, I've seen that time and again, right? Anytime you meet Bradley, he's always having this big smile on his face, ready to engage and ready to share. And I've seen that in action. And thanks for that. Very inspiring.
And I think that goes hand in hand with our partnership. We really work really well with our clients together. Your Fyle team and our UHY team, we really take a white glove approach to each client, and we really do our due diligence to say, here's what the solution can do for you. You don't really need to be on the higher end, plan. You should be on the lower end plan. Really working with these clients, and especially those clients that are scared of AI, we really take our time, to set them up for success if it's going to be their first time using a tool that has AI built into it.
Thanks. That means a lot, Bradley. Any other closing thoughts? Any other experiences that you'd like to share with our viewers?
I would just say that, let's not be afraid of AI as accounting professionals. Let's embrace it. Let's start 2025 with moving away from those on-premise solutions, those business processes that haven't been updated in 10 years. Taking the time now to really do your due diligence before you're forced as a business owner to start utilizing these tools and have to adapt more quickly. We are going to see a point where these on-premise desktop solutions are going to be forced away, and we're going to all have to move to the cloud anyway. So let's do it now when we have time and we're not forced to.
Very interesting thoughts there. Thank you so much for your time, and it's been a pleasure. Thank you all for taking the time to view our 5-minute Spotlight series. Expect to see a lot in the upcoming weeks. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write into us. Until next time, this is Vic signing off. Thank you.
Thank you for watching 5-Minute Spotlight with Fyle. If you enjoyed this interview, make sure to subscribe to Fyle's YouTube channel or follow us on LinkedIn to get updates about upcoming interviews. See you next time.